Congress local leadership, imitating the Karnataka Congress's policy, have started giving away individual bond papers to the voters of Telangana. It is a funny thing, whatever they did in Karnataka, they miserably failed. They could not fulfill any of their promises in Karnataka. Despite 223 members of Karnataka Congress giving guarantees, including the Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, Congress could not succeed in delivering the promises. So they are cheating Telangana people once again using the same bond paper strategy. So I just want to expose the Congress's idiotic poll strategy in front of the nation, because they will come up with the same strategy everywhere. They are giving away guarantee checks, their president, PCC, etc., everybody is signing it. It is nothing but fooling the people of this nation, and I really believe that Election Commission of India should seriously take this issue into cognizance and take action on Congress party. Another very important issue, the youth of Telangana and youth of this nation are being cheated by Congress party. I want to challenge the Congress party, I want to challenge Mr. Rahul Gandhi that whatever we did in Telangana to create the jobs, we are the highest in creating the government jobs across the nation. I want to challenge Mr. Rahul Gandhi, if any of your Congress ruled states have even given one more job than what we have given in Telangana, I will personally not contest the poll ever again. I want Rahul Gandhi ji to accept this challenge, because in Rajasthan, the government was there for last 5 years. They are the top in joblessness today in this country. They could not create jobs. In Madhya Pradesh, where Congress was in power for 2 years, then BJP put on government jobs. Whereas in Telangana, we gave 1,60,000 government jobs already, and we are filling up 50,000 more jobs. So 2,32,000 is the jobs that we have notified. So I want to challenge the Congress party. I want to personally challenge Mr. Rahul ji. You have gone to Karnataka. You said there are 2,60,000 vacancies in government jobs, and you will fulfill it in 100 days. In Karnataka, the process has not even started. Whereas in Telangana, we have already given notification to 2,32,000, and we filled 1,60,000. So Rahul Gandhi should stop cheating the youth of this nation. Congress party should stop lying to the nation. Thank you. Jai Telangana.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.